Yeah, look, so I did the toilet yesterday. Made a mark in here, and here, and here for where the water should come out. I just didn't put the seat on. See them man there? So Lass has started on the frame. And that's just finishing up some plasterboard there, but the floor's pretty much finished. And then I'm just about to mark that up, but like I said, I need a marker, so I'm just gonna run, go get one. Obviously, you know about this rod here. This rod here is there. It's just I need to just connect the pipes up to it. And obviously, Lass has given us a rough level, he thinks. But I think we still need to go a little bit lower, just so you can make up where you need to be, yeah? But we're pretty much there.